This video will demonstrate how to download a Supplier Exchange bulk load template, populate metadata, and match up content with the uploaded deliverables. To download a template, go under Deliverable Options in the contract to which you wish to bulk upload, and select Download Bulk Template. This will populate a bulk load spreadsheet along with metadata provided by the contract and save it to your local system. Go ahead and click Open. Excel will launch with the needed metadata and columns displayed. Before you can add data or change it, click Enable Editing and then Enable Content. This will allow you to make changes to the template. All deliverable metadata fields will be displayed in all of the column headers. Required fields are denoted by asterisks. Red asterisks denote required fields of the deliverable. Green asterisks indicate those fields required for submission. You'll normally always want to display all or load data to all of these fields. In this case, we want to go ahead and upload data to the HSE deliverable list. These contain all information about these deliverables. In this case, we'll bulk upload metadata and content for deliverables 1, 2, and 3. Go back to the template, select the drop-down list under deliverable list name and select HSE. This will go ahead and load the appropriate deliverable names to the bulk load spreadsheet. All deliverable names are listed right here. In this case, we'll go ahead and start with deliverable 0001. After this has been selected, you can then auto-populate the next sequential numbers by using Excel's auto-populate feature. Click the handle on the cell and drag down as many rows as you'd like to go. In this case, we'll go ahead and populate the data for the first 3 deliverables. Using the same auto-populate feature, go ahead and bring the deliverable list name data down as well. Description and alternate name are optional, so we'll skip those for now. Issue reason is required and we need to go ahead and populate this. Select the drop-down list. We'll go ahead and designate issued for construction as the issue reason for these 3 deliverables. Select the value, grab the handle, and populate those fields. Revision code is also required. Since these are the first revisions of these deliverables, we'll go ahead and start this with attribute number 1. In this case, I need to populate the first 2 fields because if I click this value, or the handle, just values 1, 2, and 3 will be populated. So go to number 2, select 1 again, select both cells, and auto-populate the rest of the way. Scrolling to the right of the spreadsheet, you'll see additional fields. File name is required, we'll come back to that. First, we want to go ahead and designate purpose. You'll see several different options for deliverable purposes. You always want to select a primary purpose for your deliverables. Every deliverable has to have one primary document. That's what will be brought into the ECM system. Select primary and populate the rest of the values. If needed, you could select other purposes such as reference or rendition, but we're not going to do that right now. Just stay with primary. It's now time to upload the file names. Click the first cell under file name. This will make sure that when you select the file names from the local file system, they will populate in the cell indicated. Select the Get File Names button and you'll be taken out to your computer's file system. I recommend designating one staging area or a temporary location where you always upload content from. This way, these will more easily populate the documents to the deliverables. In this case, I've placed such a folder on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and select the bulk load staging folder. Select that folder name. Click OK, and any files that are located there will automatically be populated into the cells under file name. In this case, I just have PNID 1, 2, and 3, so those are now populated and ready to go. Once all data is populated in the template, I'm ready to go ahead and save my spreadsheet. Go to File, Save As. Go back to your staging area. In this case, it's bulk load staging, and go ahead and name your template. I'll call this HSE upload. The spreadsheet is now ready to be uploaded to the Supplier Exchange contract. The bulk load wizard will be covered in the following video.